Hello everyone, this is Banani Sarkar and today I am very glad to welcome you all for another episode of my podcast. So today's podcast is going to be very inspirational and insightful. Today we have Dr. Indra Udayan with us, who dedicated his life in social services and also teaches yoga in his ashrama. He was awarded with prestigious Padma Shri by the Indian government in 2022 for his extraordinary vision of lifestyle, from embracing Gandhian principles to educate and empower youth and take them close to spirituality. Throughout this session, we will understand how we can make a change around us. Welcome, sir. I'm really glad you are here. Can you share us the moment when the thing sparked on you that you want to be in social service?
Yeah, that is a good question to remind me always to be a good karma yogi. I was learned from myself when I was enough. Yeah? Like Mahatma Gandhi talk about the earth produces enough for everybody's need, but never enough for anybody's greed. I was read first time 1992. It was in Amsterdam actually. Then when I was a model that time, then I was read. Some people give me the book of autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiment of the Truth. Then after read the book, I fall in love with the ideal. Of course, we cannot take all the ideal of Mahatma Gandhi, but ideal of Daridra Narayana, it's touched me. How to support the people, the poor people, to their success in their career and their study and their future. Because you see, like the ideal, what is the freedom actually? Is when the country is freedom, when the village itself is freedom. Then nowadays, what is the village freedom? Only with the education, because through the education we have the character. The end of education is character. Then in that character, after learn, grow, serve as a light. Therefore, we want to inspiring also the young people like me. I took them from the village. After you should back, when you are success, also you should back, build your own village. Only you can do something in your own village. That is my ideal before. They're now done well. Then I love everything is done. And because of that book, make me more, confident to do my karma yogi work.
Okay, all right. So you talked about modeling, like you have been a model, like how, like what was that career? Like before this, you had that career.
I was in 1888 after complete my high school, because that time is model is something new for the people. Then I was told, and then some people tell me you should becoming model in the catwalk and in the magazine and all those things. Then I'm joined one the competition for the Remaja Dewata Bali in Bali itself. Then I got as number one. It's been with the cloth to promoting heritage, preserve the heritage, promoting the culture. Then I connect the people. Then from that 1992 till 1992, I was in Jakarta, in Italy, Amsterdam. Then I got chance to go to different part of the world to be a model and a speaker also till 1992. Then after, the best miracle or the great miracle in our life, what is? The transformation. Like Mahatma Gandhi, transformation from Mohandas to Mahatma. I think I love to be from model to role model with my own ideal Dust to Diamond project for the ashram member for the Santisena we call.
That's really wonderful that like Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy inspired you a lot, that you chose to be a model to a role model. It's really great. And second of all, I would like you to ask, like sir, you have 3 ashramas. What was the idea of 3 ashrama that you have? What is that ashrama focusing on?
Actually, first I should say start like ideal of Mahatma Gandhi. He was when Satyagraha from South Africa They start in Kochrab Ashram in Gujarat. That is, I was start in the city itself, close to the college. But after 6 September 1997, I start the ashram in Denpasar after my study Institute of Gandhian Studies Warda and Gujarat Vidyapit. Then after 5 years, I think every Saturday and Sunday, nothing to do with the student. I'm just thinking in the 5 years, I should have the ashram also in the village. It's more because in the city, it was the president of Indonesia coming. It closed the road. When the PVI people come, close the road. Then I start the ashram, then inaugurated by the President of Indonesia, Abdurrahman Wahid, and Ibu Megawati Soekarno Putri also visiting our ashram. That in the village, the second ashram. Therefore, the ideal of the student to use their hand, Sarirasrama, in our ashram Denpasar only 500 meters square. They cannot do anything. They just learn, study, learn together, learn to do and learn within. Yes, but we need a bigger space for them. Then lucky after slowly we use our own hand. We build the building, all those things by recycling. You see, all recycling we use and becoming beautiful. Then we start plantation and also our ashram is becoming very green nowadays and good. And with the people, with the activities, we have 3 wings institute. We call Gandhi Vichara Studies, and we have Vivekananda Yoga Sanstha Institute, and we have Bali Vedanta Society. That all running by the alumni and student itself. The 3 wing is becoming our constructive work. Then in that ashram also we get chance to send our students. We call the Titi Banda project to India, Titi Banda Santisena Sangam between Indonesia, India, how the student can be part of the global network by people to people. That is my ideal. Therefore, we are here in lovely professional university. You see, when we do something sincere with love, then our ideal is served. It will be very powerful. You see, anywhere nowadays, even your Prime Minister Modi was announced and many times talk about my name and our work. Not me, I just to inspiring you, all the youth, then the people also. The same, like I make your founder, the chairman here, the owner, Mr. Ashok Mittal and Didi Rasmi Mittal. She's also start with the small idea. The heart was touching by the ideal of this serve the poor. Therefore, to make this big university like nowadays in the most like bigger city, it is ambient of the that campus, same like us in ashram, because Bali is not too big, therefore enough in one. Then we have 7 acre land we can use also. Then I use also my old house now is becoming 3rd ashram for the Bali Vedanta Society to make a network, because they can learn how actually the Balinese culture and also how they can immerse with the global network. Yeah? Therefore, in the 3 ashram, I think enough, but still I want to do something for the future in like 5 years. This is a little bit secret, but at least for the alumni, they can do something before their work. They can do some social service in this ashram. Then I should say thank also your vice chancellor and VC also hosting me here nicely. Then we discuss. Then Didi Rasmi Mittal was mentioned also to give every year to scholarship, pure scholarship to my students in Bali to study here. That is great opportunity for them. That is the wonderful work. Then again, I talk to everyone. When we do something great in your idea, in your mind, in the third eyes, you see, our sankalpa. Om Yasmin Ricaha Sama Yajum Si Yasmin Pratistita Ratana Bhavivaraha Yasmin Chitam Sarvamoktam Prajanam Tanme Manahasivasan Kalpamastu. The third eye, when we have pure focus, doesn't matter big or small. Even Ashok Mittalji, sir also was talk, no ideal before he will becoming big like this. Take a time, sincere. And everybody knows that now he's a Raj Sabha by chosen by the people also. Then you see, people get the inspiration how the sons, rich and also rich ideal host the everybody very, warm welcoming. That is the good idea of this university. I go to any block here, then I meet the student, they respect, and still they follow the culture. You see, when we talk about the ideal of education, is character. Then the student in the lovely professional university is really in that character, and is the character like you. You see your face, and you're still preserve your katan, khadi, and many people still use the turban like Punjabi, and many people wear like Indian dress to go to the college. That is great impact for the society too.
So you mentioned that like in an initial days, Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy inspired you. Was it challenging to inspire other peoples for the very initial days when you were building your community and building a resource to work on as a social service? So how did you come out of it?
You see, when we are background, same like my background from the politician family and the business family in the resort and all those things, and they are rich people also. Mostly they are criticized what they are doing. Yeah, what you do? You go to America, to any country, learn something, and outside of Indonesia, go something. Why you choose this way? Because they don't know actually every person they have their own their own will in their life. Yeah, they have their own vision and mission also. Then they was criticized why you waste your time and all those things. This. They try to go to the psychiater, psychologist to talk what happened with my son, my boys, maybe something problem why they are not married and all those things. Then
After all, you're coming from a modeling background. It was a huge change.
yes,
Yeah.
but this the biggest change in our life actually. What is the miracle? When we can transform our life to be in the reality. You see, yes, you can have dream when you are success. But when you have money, what? Therefore, when we have chance, now I was really love the end of my till now we have almost 300 alumni. It's simple because we are Bali is not too big. They are professor, many PhD also, and many they go to India support by Indian Council for Cultural Relation. Whatever the ambassador of India in Indonesia, they are supporting me. Consulate General India in Bali also they are supporting me. And the government of Indonesia also support in the different way. We not ask the money, we not have grant from them because we see we follow the ideal of Mahatma Gandhi. We should self-sufficient and we should transform our life also to use our own thing. Why we should, as NGO, why we should use the government money? Let's government do. Therefore, my ideal work to people is really becoming what is name root for my work. Of course, nowadays India is my root, but I make it fruit now in Bali. Yeah.
So, as I also mentioned in my introduction when I was introducing you, that you won the Padma Shri Award in 2020.
Yeah.
So, how you got through that moment, and also like how like what was the story after that? Are you getting more recognition just after that receiving that award, or you got your followers, like more followers after that? Like what was the
You see, I'm start since 1992. Yeah, my work in the Gandhian Way and in my principal Dust to Diamond project in Ashram Gadipuri. Then I got chance. In that time, work sincere, nothing about the Padma Shri, nothing. Then 2011, I was received the International Jamnalal Bajaj Award to promoting Gandhi in outside India. That is the real prestigious award for the Gandhian people. Because every year, International Jamnalal Bajaj give one person from outside of India. Till now, I'm the youngest. I was received that award in my age 42. Yeah, then 2020, again. Actually, I took Diksha Sannyas. I think I'm 28 October 2019. You see my hair like this. I took Sannyas Diksha. I want to be a Sannyas normal. But government India, in 3 months after the Sannyas Diksha, I received the Padma Shri Award. You see the Gandhiji's ideal, what is man purpose, God disposes. You don't know. Your goal, your idea is like this. But after, oh, something different. Yeah, like it happened. Then nowadays, after the Padma Shri Award, Modi ji give me respect when in the G20. I couldn't believe from his mouth, also from his speech, Modi recognized my work, even small, but with a sincere, with love. I do it, then respect by your Prime Minister, respect by in the big country, like the strong country like you. Then now I have recognition more. Therefore, I speak almost after receive that award till now, I'm most in the 70 university college in India. I speak from the South India, from Jammu Kashmir, of course, to Kanyakumari, that one. Then I know more and more people in any state. I have the people who's really get chance also to learn from me. Then I learn from them. It's been learn to learn together, learn to do, and learn within. This is the power of us when we are connecting. Same like me, you are learn from me now. But after you're practicing, then after I learn from you too. That is the great ideal when we can work together in future. Then hope all the students in lovely professional university here do something also, create career, do success, but do service in your village. Because when you do in your village, you can create the freedom for your country. Therefore, the ideal Jai Jagat, Amara Mantra, Jai Jagat, Amara Tantra, Gram Swaraj is